But let's get to answering some more queries. The next caller we have on the line with us is T. Wagon, who calls in from Mumbai. Hi, sir. How can we help you? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, sir. How can we help you?
हाँ.
बताइए आपका क्या सवाल है?
Sir, मैं वो I wanted to ask you about Wockhardt.
Okay.
I got 200 shares.
Okay.
At the rate of 13.20
All right.
a week back.
Okay.
So I want to know what I should do now at present.
Okay. And are you a long-term investor?
Of course.
Okay. All right. China, he's making a bit of a loss, but he's a long-term investor. So therefore, if the advice is to hold on, he could. But the question is, should he remain invested? Because there's been so much negative news from him. Just this morning, there's been a recall of about 200 bottles in the US for Wockhardt. So what would your advice be?
Well, actually you're right, and there are problems that are ongoing with the US FDA, which, even if they are resolved, it will take at least another 1 year to 18 months for, the product launches to be relaunched actually in US and the revenue to kick in. So valuations, if you look at pure valuations for a 6-month to 1 year basis, vis-a-vis other pharma companies, they're very expensive. On a quality basis also, it is, I would say, far other stocks which are much better. So what I would suggest is that the investor is not really making too much of loss as of now. He should get out of this stock, and most of the other pharma stocks have corrected. Some of the leading pharma companies, you name them. You have Sun Pharma, you have even something like a good Glenmark, which has not corrected, which has moved up, but which still looks good with a 2-year perspective. So I think he should look to move his investments to those companies wherein in the next 1 to 2 years, the upside, in my view, could be higher. As far as Wockhardt goes, he can relook at the stock maybe after 6 months when there is some clarity as to what the company is doing regarding its US business, and then look to re-enter the stock. But as of now, I think it will fluctuate widely, and there is no point in holding on to a stock where there is so little clarity.
Okay, well, just to clarify, Wockhardt did clarify to the exchanges that they've already informed the exchanges about these recalls which have been taking place on the 28th of April or thereabouts, as well as the 15th of May. So it is already known, and that they have clarified to the exchanges with regards to that. It's possibly because of the inventory which was built up in the US, which was pre the import alert on Valuj as well as Chickalthana. But that's on Wockhardt. Stock still down around 5% odd.